Saksi ang mga puno na yan na inyong sinisigungan ngayon. Sa kwento ng bawat araw, umaga, tanghali, hapon. Noong araw, dyan din kami nagpapahinga, nagre-review, at sa ilalim ng puno na yan, nabuo ang mga pangarap. Kaya ang isang metro niyan sa harap ninyo ngayon ay nakasuot ng ganitong uniform. Former President of Metro Manila College, Dr. Eleanor Agapito, ma'am. And of course, to the different head departments, hindi ko na po kayo may isa-isa. Troop Commander, give your main tigas pahinga. Nakatanggap ako ng isang tawag galing sa aking classmate, Police Lieutenant Marcelino Ilagat, na ako daw ay gustong maging guest of honor at speaker ng aking alma mater. From Zambales, pumiyahe ako ng kulang-kulang 6 na oras kagabi para paunlakan ang pambihirang paanyaya. At pagdating ko sa bahay, ako'y sinalubong ng aking may bahay at ng anak, at sinabihan ko na bukas pupunta tayo sa Metro Manila College because it was 25 years ago nung magsalita ako sa harap ng mga kapwa ko Metronians, when I was invited as to deliver the inspirational message. At gusto ko rin makita ng aking may bahay at ng aking anak kung gaano kaganda ang eskwelahan ng pinanggalingan ng kanilang ama. Once again, a pleasant good morning to all of us who are here today. May lamang po ito aking mensahe, 30 minuto at 4 na oras. Talagang wow, nakakatuwa at masaya ako to see familiar faces like Staff Sergeant Padrigada. Nung ako nag-ROTC, doon pa lang sa gate ng Metro Manila College, nakatakwok na kami. Sir?
Sir.
Of course, nandito rin yung mga kasabayan kong iba. Kailan ko during our school days here in MMC. First and foremost, I want to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. It is truly an honor and privilege to stand before you today as your guest of honor and speaker on this momentous occasion, the 78th Foundation Day of our beloved alma mater, the Metro Manila College. Maraming salamat, my schoolmate, again, Pare Ilagat, at ang aking kapitbahay. To the faculty staff, students, the ROTC Corps, and my fellow alumni, thank you for having me here to this once in a lifetime and great opportunity. Uulitin ko, it was 25 years ago when I stand on the stage of my beloved NMC. That was in 1999, right after I passed the board of criminology examination. I was invited to deliver an inspirational message during the closing ceremony of that school year. Siguro ang iba sa inyo dito hindi pa pinapanganak. Mga estudyante, as I stand here and seeing your eager face, keep looking at me, it makes me feel nervous. Even I'm a police lieutenant colonel. Parang gusto nang tapusin ng aking pagsasalita. But of course, allow me to have my some regulations. Like you as an ordinary student before, so many dreams of what I will be becoming and my purpose in this life. One aspiration and lifelong dream is to become a police officer or a soldier to serve to the service of the community and our country. Growing up in a simple hometown in Iloilo, I was captivated by the noble presence of police officers, their crisp, snappy uniforms, their aura of authority, and most importantly, their unwavering commitment to serve and protect the people. I once told myself of wearing that uniform one day, standing tall in the service of people, protecting lives and property, and maintaining peace and order. After finishing my secondary in 1994, my dream led me here to the very doorstep of Pedro Manila College in the same year. I enrolled the course of BS Criminology, the start of my humble beginning. From the typical upbringing of a poor boy in me, this institution became my foundation, my stepping stone toward a life of a policeman and a public servant. In my 4 years, so many self-experiences and stories to tell. I became the basketball varsitarian of this school in 1996. Kaya sabi kanina ni First Lieutenant Monte na paborito ko ay basketball. At mayroon akong ginawa dyan na isang talata. Huwag kang magpakampante sa iyong lamang. Dahil kung tutusin, laro ang tubig ka lang, ako pangharang. Layup at shoot mo, 3 points ko lang. Kung best player ka man, alamin mo, MVP ko, hindi na mabilang. But among all the unforgettable moments in this school, the more significant, I earned my degree in criminology. It was in this school that I learned the values that define me as a person, a friend, and as a leader, having the virtues of humility, patriotism, and the unyielding commitment to serve. From my humble beginning as Police Officer 1 in 1998, my 27-year journey ascending the ranks as a Police Commissioned Officer, I have carried the lessons of this institution with me. They have guided me through challenges, inspired me in moments of doubts and failures, reminded me of the greater purpose behind my service and why I chose to serve in the first place. Today, as I look out, all of you, it brings me immense joy to see young guys who have the same burning desires in their eyes to serve and protect this country as we soon become professionals in different fields. Our beloved Metro Manila College has been a place where students are nurtured, guided, and equipped with the knowledge and skills they needed to succeed. More than that, it is a place where values are instilled, integrity, leadership, and dedication to one's duty. These are qualities that shape individuals into responsible citizens and future leaders of our country. To the students and cadets, you are the heart of this institution. Your hard work, perseverance, and commitment to learning will define your future. Remember that education is not just about acquiring knowledge. It is about developing character, discipline, a sense of responsibility. No matter where life takes you, always carry the lessons you have learned here. That is your very foundation. Of course, to the faculty and administrators, your dedication and passion in teaching and guiding these students play a crucial role in shaping the next generation. Your work goes beyond the classroom as you inspire and prepare them for the challenges ahead. As we celebrate this milestone, let us all be reminded of the importance of unity, cooperation, collaboration, and continuous growth. The foundation of Metro Manila College is not just built on years of existence, but on the countless dreams it has helped to shape, develop, and produce brilliant individuals, the leaders, and the impact it has made on the society to our nation. Kanina, pinasulat sa akin doon sa admin ni Ma'am Agapito and ni Ma'am Dominguez yung mga kapwa ko officers na nanggaling sa Metro Manila College. At marami kami. So I am very lucky enough na naging guest of honor and speaker for the 70th Foundation Anniversary. To all the Metronians, I put my faith in you, in each and every one of you, that you will find ways to serve and glorify the name of this school and prove once again what our great national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, firmly believed in. Gas-gas na, pero patuloy pa rin, that you are indeed the hope of this country. And I urge you all to aspire to be leaders in your own right. Be the salt and light of this earth. Be the catalyst of change to our country that desperately needs it. Rise when others fall. Stand firm when others back down. And never forget that true leadership is never about the personal glory. It will always be about inspiring others to achieve greatness together. As I close, I would like to share with you all the quote that I think is fit for the occasion. The late US President Ronald Reagan once famously said, "The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that leads the people to do the greatest things." So to everyone present, students, faculty members, alumni, and future leaders, I challenge you to be the catalyst that ignites change. Be the voice that calls out injustice and fights for fairness. And be the hands that build a better future for the next generation. Always remember that the legacy you leave will not be measured by the titles you hold or achievements you have reached or the wealth that you have, but ultimately by the lives you touch and the nation you uplift and build. Muli, maraming salamat. Congratulations to everyone. Mabuhay ang lahat ng Metronian. God bless Metro Manila College.